Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. How are you all doing today? That's really wonderful. I am Salim Gawai. I am an alim. I have done alimiyat from Jamia Ziaul Uloom Kandur and Takmil Darul Uloom Nudatul Ulama Lucknow. Presently, I am pursuing personality development class at Madarasa Baitul Uloom Sindgi in Karnataka, where I learn spoken English and computer. I would like to thank Madarasa Baitul Uloom and Sunnah English Medium School for giving me a chance to enhance my communication skills. Today, I want to speak about a very important topic, never give up. In our life, we all face many problems. Sometimes we fail in exams. Sometimes we don't get what we want. Sometimes we feel sad, weak, or alone. But my friends, we must remember that these problems are tests from Allah. Allah loves those who are patient and strong. Allah says in the Quran, فَإِنَّ مَعَ الْعُسْرِ يُسْرًا. Indeed, with hardships comes ease. This means if you are having a hard time, don't give up. Be patient, Allah will soon make things better. Every night is followed by morning. In the same way, every difficulty will be followed by easy, inshallah. Our Prophet Muhammad is the best example for us. He faced so many problems. People called him a liar. They threw a stone at him in Taif. He lost his uncle and his wife in the same year. But still he never gave up. He kept making dua, kept trusting Allah, and continued his mission with patience and hope. Dear my friends, even if you fail 100 times, stand up. Stand up 101 times. Say to yourself, Allah is with me. Allah is with me. I will try again. I will try again. Always make dua. Even when you feel weak, raise your hands and talk to Allah. He listens. He listens. He loves us more than anyone else. The Prophet Muhammad said, dua is the weapon of the believer. Use that weapon. Cry in front of Allah. Ask for help. And then get up. I will try again. Please bear this golden word in your mind. Never give up in your studies. Never give up in your goals. Never give up in your deen. Keep praying, keep working, keep believing in yourself and in Allah. Because when you trust Allah and don't give up, you can do anything and everything. Jazakumullahu khair.